If you ever see a bird that looks like a tiny pink cotton ball, don't try to catch it. This little creature is so rare that most people never spot one in their lifetime.
Bro, what kind of bird is that? And why is it pink like that?
Before I tell you, if you think this animal is absolutely adorable, hit like and subscribe. Share this video and drop a heart if you care for animals. This is actually called a pink robin, a small bird from Australia where only the males have that bright pink chest, while the females stay brown to stay hidden from predators.